Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the mysoftwarebusiness.com opportunity and also give you guys a tour of the back office. Now, before I go any further, I do have to say that My Software Business is in self beta launch. So, basically, the products and the tools are not available as of yet. They're being worked on, but I can a bit about why I feel that this is an opportunity that you should be a part of so you can start building your teams now and get ready for what's to come. Okay, so I'm going to log in really quick to the back office here. Now, this opportunity just launched Thursday evening, right? And one of the reasons why I believe that this will be a big hit is because if you're familiar with TechSpot, the owner creator of TechSpot, this is an opportunity that he created. And if you're familiar with how people promote TechSpot, which is basically sharing a phone number, then you can understand why this is going to be a similar model, but completely different at the same time. All right. So with My Software Business, as I said, they're going to be focusing more so on products and tools that are being created for marketers, helping them basically succeed. Now, you can do the same, the sharing the phone number, or you can share the website link just like you did with TechSpot, but this is going to be more of a, what's what I'm looking for? A different kind of opportunity. Okay. You're going to be able to earn in different ways with the opportunity, in addition to the $200 payments that you receive when someone decides to partner up with you and join your team. So this is the back office here, right? Not gonna see much of it. It's a basic back office, but you'll be able to see your dashboard, which is everything here. You'll get access to your setup guide. You can get some information here as terms of how it works. Video back here as well explains it. Your resellers, you can check your pending payments, commissions, check on your team and your leads, and you can also get help from support as well. You can chat with support in the back office. They have a little setup for that as well. Let me close this out. Going down the back office, you can see here is your basic back office. You're going to have the option to purchase a $50 monthly package, which gives you unlimited messaging in the US and Canada. Plus, it also gives you credits for international use as well. Your usage balance will be here. Your income totals will be here today, and total income, interactions, leads, signups. Now, with the signups, guys, I know you see the 114 here, but these are people from TechSpot. So what they did is that they carried over your signups from TechSpot, and if your signups choose to join the opportunity, they're going to have to pay you, right, directly in order to get started. So once they log into their back office here, they'll receive a message saying that they would have to get activated, and they will show your picture along with the payment options that you set up for TechSpot, right? Which is pretty cool. Another thing, in order to log into your back office here on mysoftwarebusiness.com, if you're a TechSpot user, you would have to use your TechSpot email and password. All right. Marketing tools will be here. Your phone number is going to be here, and your web link is going to be there as well. Then you have your calls, your texts, and your web opt-ins, your percentages there, and then they will show your pending payments at the bottom. Like I said, this is in pre-launch, beta launch, I'm sorry. So it's not going to be much available to you right now, but if you want to get a better understanding of what's coming, there will be a link in the description for you to click on and check out the presentation that's playing. That's going to be there for you, and it will give you a clearer understanding of what's going to come. Now, here's the thing. You can build your teams, right, for this, because people are out there promoting this right now. They're building their teams. They're earning the $200 payments. Because again, this is something that is going to be big down the line, especially when the products are starting to come out, starting to roll out. People are starting to see the value in the products. You're going to want to make sure you have a team in place, and you're going to want to make sure that you join someone who's, making moves with this. Okay. So having said that, there's not really much else to talk about in terms of this until everything launches. But you can join. You can get more information on it. You can join. You can start earning with it as well. And honestly, guys, again, this is going to be one of those opportunities in 2022 that is definitely going to be big. Like, if you remember TextBot, if you remember how big TextBot was when it first came out, despite all of its, its issues and things like that along the line, TextBot was really big this year. Okay, TextBot was one of those opportunities where a lot of people earned a lot of money sharing a phone number with, people, sharing a phone number, sharing a website with others. And this is going to have that similar feel. Okay, but again, it's more products oriented. So as products roll out, people will get more information about it and they're going to want to join. Speaking of getting more information as well, on your name in the profile section, you're going to see a link to a Telegram channel. You're going to want to join the Telegram channel to get more updates as things start rolling out, as things start moving, momentum starts picking up. It will be posted in the Telegram group. So you're going to have to join that. All right. I recommend you join that as well. All right. You'll still be able to set up your payments in the back office as well through your profile, change all your information, contact information, and things like that. You can change all of that in your profile as well. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. I don't want to keep it too long, but if you have any questions about what you're seeing here, feel free to leave a comment. Feel free to reach out. Positive comments only, guys, please. And that's it, okay? I will see you on my next video for whatever opportunity I'm going to review next. But for now, take care, enjoy your Sunday, and I will see you on the next video. All right, take care, guys. And remember, for more details, click the link to watch the presentation and get a better understanding of what's to come because my software business is going to be big in 2022 and beyond. Okay, take care, guys, and I'll see you soon.